Do you know how Bitcoin works? This video is for educational purposes only, not a financial advice. Let's dive into a step-by-step journey from Bitcoin mining to decentralized ledger recording. Step 1. The spark of creation mining. What it is, mining is where Bitcoin begins its journey. Powerful computers solve complex puzzles to validate transactions and create new blocks. Imagine a miner with a pickaxe, but instead of coal, he's unearthing digital gold. Feel the thrill of discovery as each solved puzzle unlocks a piece of the future. Curious about the magic of mining? Stick with us to see how digital gold is born. Step 2. Securing the chain block creation and hashing. What it is. Once mined, each block is stamped with a unique cryptographic hash, a digital fingerprint that ensures security and links it to previous blocks. Picture a shiny block getting embossed with an unbreakable code before snapping into a growing chain. Experience the assurance of trust, every block, every link fortified against tampering. Witness how blockchain security builds trust from the ground up. Follow for more tech insights. Step 3. The ripple effect transaction broadcasting. What it is. When you send Bitcoin, your transaction is broadcast to a network of computers' nodes across the globe. Visualize a digital coin traveling along glowing pathways connecting a global web of nodes, ready to see your transaction light up the world. Step 4. The seal of trust transaction confirmation. What it is, each transaction must be confirmed and added to a block. Multiple confirmations mean your transaction becomes secure and immutable. Imagine checkmarks or digital seals appearing over your transaction, each one reinforcing its security. Experience the comfort of certainty knowing your transaction is forever etched in digital history. Step 5. The unbreakable chain blockchain update. What it is. The finalized block is permanently added to the blockchain, a decentralized ledger that everyone can trust. Picture a chain of interconnected, glowing blocks stretching across the digital universe, each one unchangeable. Feel the power of permanence and transparency as every transaction is recorded for eternity. Ever wonder how a single digital coin transforms into a trusted asset? Smash that like button, follow Keep Adding Value channel for more crypto insights and educational video contents. Let's build the future of digital trust together.